The National Weather Service in Leap City has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Katy, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cypress around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Jersey Village around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between mile marker 735 and 748. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Compromise.
Winning big time cause it's free to swap fries.
BK, have it your way.